Okay, so let's record the solution to our first quiz here. So first things first, we wanted to make a window that was twice as tall as it is wide. So what's the thing I used to set window size? The size command. Okay, what does the size command take? Yeah, it needs two things and a semicolon, right? What are the two things? Oh, look, the debugger tells you it's an int, comma, int, right? Do you remember which one's which? Yeah, an int's an integer, right? So it's taking a number, and one is width and the other one is height, right? So it's width, comma, height, right? So if I want to make it twice as tall, I'd want to do something like 100, comma, 200, right? And hit run, and hit allow access when you're... Okay, so I have here a window that I apparently can't move around that's twice as tall as it is wide. Cool. Alright, what else did I want to do? I wanted to make the background white. What's the background command? Background. And to make it white, you need 255, I think. Okay, now if we hit run, we get a white rectangle that's twice as wide as, or twice as tall as it is wide. Good. Cool. Alright. How do I draw a rectangle that's 60 by 80 using lines? Yeah, you need some line commands, right? So you're going to do line and some parentheses and a semicolon, and it's saying it wants 4 values, right? You guys see that in the debugger? Like float, 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 float. And as far as I know, a float's also a number. I don't know why they named number twice, but they did. Float's a decimal, right? So if I want to, where do I want to put my rectangle? I don't know, someplace, right? So I'm just going to start at like 20, comma 20, because that'll be easy for me to remember. Okay, I just picked some random starting point. Now, if I want it to be 60 wide, right, where do I need to go? Close. 80. 80. Okay, so now if I hit go, that's going to make a line, right? Cool? Line? Next thing? Don't retype all this crap, right? You need, how many lines are you going to need to make a rectangle? 4. Okay, so now I have 4 copies of that same line. Okay, but I don't want 4 copies of this same line. So where do I want to go from and to next? 20, 20, 80, 100. Where's that one going to go? Let's try it. Oh, crap, that's diagonal. But at least now I know where the top left and the bottom right are. You guys see that? So I didn't want to go from 20, 20 to 80, 100. I wanted to go from 80, 20. Cool, there's the, so I got across and then down, and then where do I need to go? Across the bottom, right? So where should that line go? 20, 100 is your claim? Oops, not 20,000. That would be bad. Okay, cool. So that's the vertical line on the left side. And now, where's this dot right here? That's a 20, 100. And where's this dot? 80, 100. So it seems like we should go from 20, 100 to 80, 100. You guys good with this? Okay, so